Hello everyone. This is Gayatri Priya, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE of RMD Engineering College. Let me share something regarding node level simulators. So, actually speaking, the node level design methodology will be associated with some simulator but on a per node basis. So, whenever we are going up for simulation, the designer has to check about a study of the performance. How better the timing, that is, whether the latency is increased or decreased. What about the transmission delay? And what is the average delay and average packet delivery? What is the amount of power? What is the power bandwidth utilized? How far it is scalable enough? Okay, so if you are making use of any particular algorithm for the simulation, we have to take care about the performance. Without implementing them on the actual hardware, we have to take down this physical phenomena. So basically, a node level simulator consists of the following components. Number one, it is going to have a sensor node model. So a node is actually in a simulator acts as a software execution platform. That is, simply we can say it is going to act as a sensor host. So, in this, what happens? It provides or simulates the communication protocol, or it will be analyzing the behavior of a sensor and it will be checking up the operating system services. So, if energy characteristics are going to be the part, we have to take care about the power consumptions dealt in this particular algorithm. And next, we are going to discuss about the communication model. So, depending upon the details of modeling, we can have the communication at a different place. One best one is going to be at the physical layer, where we are going to have the simulation of the radio frequency propagation delay and regarding the collision of simultaneous transmission. We normally prefer for multi-hop transmissions. In such multi-hop transmission, if any collision occurs, means we have to take care that. So this is in happening in a physical layer. While if you are going to discuss about that simulation at the MAC layer or the network layer, we have to take care about the stochastic processes to represent the low level behavior. And next comes the physical environment model. So actually this is going to be the physical phenomena of interest. The environment can be simulated at various levels. For example, if I'm going to take a moving object in the physical world, okay, that has to be converted, abstracted into a point signal source. That is, if the sensor network is passive, it does not affect the or impact the behavior of the environment. Therefore, such environment can be simulated separately, or even we can store those data for further for future use. In addition to the sensing operations, it will be having a thorough study regarding the environment, so that is going to be integrated with the simulation mechanism. And next, we are going to discuss about the statistics and visualizations. So, whatever the simulation results we are collecting, that will be used for some analysis purpose. Yeah. So, in this, we will be making use to observe an on-demand spatial distribution and mobility of the node. And also, we have to take care about the connectivity among the nodes. How about the link quality? Whether there is any link failure, if the link fails, how quite often the link gets failure. And then we have to discuss about the end-to-end communication routes and the delay. And we are discussing about the sensor readings on each node, how the sensor node behaves, and what about the sensor network lifetime is there. Yeah, depending upon the time advance in the simulations, we can have two categories. One is cycle driven simulation, the other one is going to be discrete event simulation. So, from the name itself, we could see the cycle driven simulation actually discretize the continuous notion of a real time data. That is, with respect to k, that is, we have to take down the entire data. We have to we should not take down the next packet until we get a next tick, that is until that ongoing transmission is being completed. So for this we'll be making use of our ns2 simulator, and this ns2 simulator will be dealt in later on classes. Hope you understand this cyclic driven network simulators. Thank you for listening.